everyone. So today's video is going to be my planner set up for Christmas time because it's the beginning of November. I'm really ready to decorate for Christmas, but I think people might think I'm crazy. So I'm going to decorate my planner for Christmas instead, and then I'm actually gonna probably decorate for Christmas on Sunday, so whatever, it's still gonna be early. I don't even care. So, we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is a Recollections ring bound planner in silver, and I got it at Michael's. I don't know the size of it. I just, when I need to buy inserts for it, usually I'm either printing them myself so I can resize them, or I'm buying them from Michael's and I can just grab a planner that they're selling that's the same size and compare to see if the inserts are gonna work. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So when you first open it up, this is what it looks like, and as you can tell, I am not doing the traditional red and green Christmas. I'm doing like a pink Christmas, and I really enjoy it. So right over here on the inside of this, I'm gonna move this piece of paper actually. So right over here on the inside of this, we have my pocket. So back here, I just have a piece of paper that has some ornaments on it. I really, really love this piece of paper. And then I have an ornament, and then just some other extra pieces of paper that I had left over that I filled those card slots with because I don't use them. My hope is that I'm actually going to remove this, put this out here on this pocket, and then I'll put another piece of paper behind it. But for now, it's just going to stay just like that. And then, oops, over here on this side, a lot of these little things that I put in are actually just punched so that I can move them around, reuse them, put them wherever I feel like. So the first thing is this little piece of scrapbook paper that says all is calm, all is bright, and I got this in a paper pack from Michael's. And then behind that is this rose gold foiled vellum from Sticky Sloth Designs. I'm pretty sure it's showing up more gold on camera, but I'm usually not a big vellum person, but I really, really like this vellum. I'll have Allie's shop link down below because I love it. And then I have this little insert, which is like a wood grain background, and then some flowers, some pink fuzz, and then this little foiled thing. I tried to put foil on like every insert to some extent. And these are my monthly inserts. So these are a insert pack that I bought from Michael's as well. And then I have this one, which has little Santas and gold foiled snowflakes. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. And then it actually does, are these gold? No, these are rose gold. I don't know why I spent the whole day thinking that they were gold. Anyway, underneath of it, it says Jingle Bells, but I covered that up because I really wanted to put this little frame and this ornament that says love. So, loving this one. And then this is my weekly inserts. And then this one, the back piece of paper says all is calm, all is bright. And then these are some, now these ones actually are gold. This is some gold snowflakes and gold kiss under the mistletoe. And this is actually all of my like budgeting stuff, so I'm not gonna show that to you guys. And then my last insert, I put another one of these flippable things that's just Santa with a little wreath, and then behind it is just it's like a pink garland or pink Christmas tree with some lights. I might put something else on here, but that's just kind of where I'm at. And then behind this is just my notepad with some paper. And then when you flip to the very back, I put another one that just says joy because I really liked that. And then because this vellum was originally made for a traveler's notebook, and I had hole punched it to be like a little folder type thing, and I wasn't using that. It's hole punched on the wrong side, so what I ended up doing was actually just putting this in the back of the planner, so that I have a little like vellum and twisty thing sandwich. And then right back here, guys, isn't it real loud? Give me just a second. Sorry, trying to keep the cat from doing some stuff. I got a new cat, so yes. And then this is just the other part of that ornament paper. So that's currently what I have going on. And then I want to know where I put my llama, because I do have a llama like keychain that I usually put in here. My llama keychain will still be going back in here, but I will probably do an update of this at the end of the year for you guys so that you guys can kind of see, and by the end of the year, I mean like end of January. We'll see, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. I also want to add in some like gift, I need to add in a pet section for the cat, and then I need to add in like a gift section, but I haven't done that yet. So I will do updates as I can, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below. Let me know if you guys are, also let me know what you guys are doing for your planner setups. And hopefully next week I will be back with a plan with me. I have not been planning a whole lot recently, and then I hadn't been filming it, so I was afraid you guys wouldn't want to see it, but I'm just going to go ahead and post it anyway. So I will see you guys all soon with another plan with me. Bye.